Subscribe to my channel Making Impossible and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any one of my upcoming videos.
Yo, what's up friends? I'm Shulazari and welcome back to Making Impossible, the channel that teaches you how to make the impossible and be the smartest person in the room. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to fan playing cards with just one hand, which is called the one-handed card fan. So this will be a quick tutorial on this technique and I hope you'll enjoy this video.
This week's Instagram feature goes to Adaveni Sainath. Follow him on Instagram, link is given in the video description. I'll feature one lucky Instagram user every Monday in my Smack That Monday episodes. If you want your Instagram profile or page to be featured in my next Smack That Monday episode, follow the simple steps that are given in the video description. So now, let's continue.
Okay guys, here is the tutorial for this one-handed card fanning technique. Now you can see I have this deck of cards. I'm going to fan this with my hand, but before that I'll just take this ring off from my index finger because this ring becomes an obstacle whenever I go to do this one-handed fan. I don't know if it happens with everyone else, but it actually happens with me. So I usually take off my ring for doing this card fan. So I'm just going to keep this ring away for this moment and just try it by yourself. If you can do that fan, that one-handed fan with that ring on your index finger especially, then you just don't have to take the ring off. So just try before you take off your ring. Okay, I might be wrong. So here is how I do the one-handed fan. This is the deck of cards and this is how I fan this deck, this entire deck. Okay, and let's see how you can also do this one-handed card fan. Now first of all, if you are a beginner in this card fanning technique, you might just want to fan the half of the deck because fanning a full deck of cards might be a troublesome for you. Okay, might be a troublesome act for you. So for that reason, just take off the half of the deck and then do a fan with this amount of cards. Okay, just imagining it to be a full deck of cards, and afterwards when you learn properly the one-handed fan, you're going to do that fan with a full deck of cards. So at first what you're going to do is you're going to hold this deck along the short side, okay, and you're going to hold it just like this. Okay, so basically this edge is actually resting on your middle finger and your ring finger on these two marks. Okay, so this edge rests over there and this finger grabs the deck from two sides, and this is how you're going to start off with the one-handed fan. So you're going to grab the entire deck of cards just like this, the short side over here and the long side on these two sides, where you are grabbing with the index finger and your pinky finger. Now what you're going to do is you're going to come over here with your thumb right over here and you're going to go down the side of this packet, and then you're going to start pushing this pack outside. Okay, and as you start pushing that pack outside, what you're going to do is you're going to move your index finger away from this side so that the cards spread out like this. You're going to move your index finger in this manner. Your index finger is in this position. Then as you start pushing, you will take your index finger from this side to the bottom side, and you're going to curl your index finger from this side to the bottom side, because this fan is going to be done on the top of your index finger. This is the fan that is actually resting on the entire index finger. So at first you are starting off like this in this grip, and then you are using your thumb to push these cards this side, and as you're pushing these cards this side, you're moving the index finger away from their path and you're actually sliding all these cards on the top surface of your index finger, and you're going to do that while your index finger is curled in under the bottom of this deck or this small packet. So you're holding like this, and then as you're going to start off, you're going to start pushing and you're moving this index finger away and curling it under the bottom of the deck or the small pack, and then doing the fan. So this is how the one-handed fan is done. Now the thumb does not move straight away like this. The thumb moves in a rotational manner from this point to this point. Okay, so this is the thumb. It moves from this point to this point. It does not move straight away. Okay, and if you move it in a rotational manner, you will see that the cards are fanning exactly how they should fan. And it also depends on the deck of cards that you're using, because if the deck of cards are new, the cards will be very slippery and the fan will be very perfect, okay? But if the cards are old, it will be a hard time for you to fan the deck of cards. Then you have to use any fanning powder to make those cards smooth and slippery to do the fan. And after you have learned the fan, you're going to take the other part of the deck and you're actually going to fan a full deck of cards just like this. So this is how the card fanning is done. And that's it for the tutorial. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you did so, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Shual_Zari. Also, if you have any questions, you can use the comment section for that, and don't forget to subscribe to my other channel, which is a Pretty Savage channel. I post funny videos over there, and the link to that channel will be given right in the description box as well as in the cards. And don't forget to smash the subscribe button of this channel if you're not a subscriber yet, and turn on the post notifications so that you don't miss my upcoming videos and my future Smack That Monday episodes. Peace.